asshole.
It is going to go up his arsehole, yes.
Come on, ducky.
It's the arse. Right, go find someone.
No, you can tell someone. Please.
We want ducky.
Try again.
Can you please tell someone?
You tell someone.
No. Think of it as my birthday present.
I'll try one last time. Not with the phone, though.
No, don't, please.
No, look.
Don't tell someone. It's a waste of money.
2 goes. No, because it's 40p. 2 goes. We don't get it. Actually, no, 3 goes because that way it's third time lucky.
Third time lucky. We've already put in £3. Oh, don't put it down.
Oh, that failed.
I hate you.
Thanks,
No, I was talking to the bloody duck. Please, ducky.
Last try. Wish me luck.
Go and tell someone, please, please, please.
Try again.
Don't put any money in. Can I go and tell someone?
What should I say? Just say, can we possibly buy one of the ducks out?
Pretty please. Go on.
Alright, come on.
I'm coming. After. If you go and ask someone, I'll let you.
I'm not going to ask it to change place. If I find someone walking around.
There won't be anyone.
You are.
No! Got Sam Dunk.
What?
Sam Dunk.
You are.
Please.
You are. Don't. Fine. I don't want to do this. I have to ask some random guy if I can buy a ducky out of the machine.
Come on.
Help me.
Have I got a gap?
No.
Really? Please ask.
I'm going to.
Did you stop it?
No.
Oh.
I'm just looking at
Now
the
ask
kitty.
please, or I'll cry.
Yeah.
Smile.
Damn.
Womanizer.
Right, who should we ask?
Someone who works there.
Grum.
Please ask now, or you'll get even worse. And you'll be like, I don't want to buy. And be really nice. Go, pretty, please. It's from my nephew. I could be your nephew.
Don't you mean niece?
Or either. No. You can't much.
Wait till the guy's face looking at porn in the newspaper.
Oh, will you just do it, please?
Should we try one more time? Or should
No. I'm not wasting any more money. Just do it, please.
What if we say that we put money in but it didn't let us have a go?
What?
What if we say we put money in but it didn't let us have a go?
Because then they'll say, oh, let me see, and then they'll say, give me your money, and then they'll put it in and they'll find out that it works. Just ask, please.
We've spent £3. Come? Oh, go. Excuse me. One of the, you know the machine down there with the ducks and stuff? Yeah. Would it be possible if we could buy one out?
I'll have to do that. That's what I wouldn't.
Okay.
Oh,
Sorry, mate.
we've been trying ages.
I know, that's why I go to it.
Fair enough. Cheers.
Thanks. Oh, no. We'll try it again. Take your walls. Shall I give you some money? Or have you got more change?
I've got more change.
No. You little bastard, why are you so irresistibly hard? Yes, you. Can I give you money? Hold that. Oh my god, no, you can't use all of that.
Try again.
That would give us 10 goes.
As much as I want it, you keep wasting your money.
No, I will.
No, because...
For a good cause.
A good cause? What, wasting like nearly 10 quid on a bloody duck? Will you stop putting your wallet down?
You do, yeah.
You better get this bastard. Please. No. Try and get him standing up again. It's because it doesn't go down enough, you assholes. Hate you. Yeah, then you're gonna knock him over.
I'm actually getting really pissed off now. I'm really getting annoyed.
Please. I bet you any other one and it would probably work.
Should I try another
No,
one?
because I want the pirate. You cocksucker.
No, no, he's right up against the wall.
Missed.
I don't care.
Nice one, Batman. You got Elvis.
That wasn't. That sucks. That's cheat. That's cheating. There's only 2 goes left.
Bastard duck.
Right, I'm gonna put one of those prongs right up his fucking arse now. Come on, ducky. Anal probe.
Go for his head. He likes head.
Try again.
It sounds like no. Oh no! Don't put any more money in.
Yeah, because you want it.
I do, but
Well, it's worth it, because I want to try and do this for you. Because I know how much you want it.
not not £2 more. No, no, not £2 more. No, no.
You pushed that in.
I did.
You did that on purpose, didn't you?
Wait.